bottom 912.
He's rolling.
Okay, looking good.
Warning. Warning.
Lift off and it looks clean. And the gear up and locked. And everything looks stable. That's pretty.
Yep.
That's 911 Heavy, one able contact, sport, safe flight, good morning.
Thank you, switch and sport, so on. Good. Sport NASA 911 Heavy, with chase is on 600 feet, climbing to 15,000.
NASA 911 Heavy, Roger, radar contact. Your discretion, direct vector flight plan, maintain 15,000.
Discretion, direct vector, 15,000, NASA 911 Heavy. Right.
Looking good, Dick.
Okay, yeah, just let me know if you want to go in or out, up or down.
911 is the case F-18 is going to stay with you.
Just to the, probably the Colorado River. Right. Yeah, Sport, I'll be coming back VFR about 30 minutes from now.
That's 911, right there. But you will be with the aircraft when we leave 25:15.
Affirm.
Right.
A lot of machinery.
Okay, we need to back out just a little bit. I'm a little bit too wide.
Okay.
Don't hear me say that often. That looks good.
911 is airborne in 07 in presently out of 7,000 feet, heading towards Hector, 52 miles to go. NASA 912, NASA 911 calling. Go ahead, Bill. Yeah, we're showing 49 miles to Hector out 7,500 feet for you guys.
Yeah, we just made the turn over Hector, Bill.
Sounds good.
Okay, I'm gonna go over to
Omaha 10, is 40 on.
NASA video, NASA 852.
Yeah, this is Dryden TV 852. If you guys are ready, I mean, you can go on ahead and do your move, but I need a couple seconds to let headquarters know we're about to be done.
Okay, we'll go as long as you want.
Unfortunately, the signal's breaking up just a little bit the farther you guys get out, so now's as good a time as any. Just give me a couple of seconds, and then you guys can just do slide over the top and get me out of it, and then you're off on your own.
Sounds good.
Okay, we'll wait for you to clear us off, and we'll do the roll and then switch to still.
Do sport.
I got your...
Okay, perfect. Stand by.
This is Omaha 10. Good morning.
Omaha 10, you radar contact 8,300, transition through 2515 is approved. Altimeter 3043.
3043 and transition 2515 approved. We'll be climbing to flight level 210.
All right, maintain 8,500 till you enter 2515. I'll re-clear you up at that point. Maintain 8,500 until then.
And that's 852. This is Dryden TV. You can go ahead and do your slide over the top. It would be wonderful. And Carla, just let it go out of frame if you can. I'll go to black and we'll be done.
4.7 and 132.5. Have a good flight. We'll see you later.
NASA 911 Heavy switching to LA. Thank you and good day.
See you later, guys.
And Doug will meet you there.
I'm ready when you are.
okay, here we go.
That was 132.5 VHF.
Yes, sir. 132.5.